You're going to love the 2010 Kia Soul. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and an efficient 4-cylinder engine. Kia prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including one-touch window functionality, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, rear wipers, and more. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Kia ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. For added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.